Shit, alright, what's good, y'all? It's cold out here, but bear with me. So today we got spark plug change, NGK rims. You know what I'm saying? It's the good stuff. So you're gonna need 10 mil, whatever size your battery terminal is. For my 94, I got 5/8 spark plug socket with two extensions on it. You could get one, but I had two. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that joint kind of, that joint stuck. Bad spark plug. Take your time with it. You don't want that joint to break in there. See how bad that joint look. It's a bad spark plug. Oh y'all, I walked away real quick, but get this. Let me compare that with y'all real quick. Make sure you change these, bro. This how they supposed to look. Y'all see the difference? Old, new. Old, new. If you don't know, that's how you do it. Throw that bitch in the middle. Should I lock in? Switch it to tighten. Slowly. You don't want to push down, just let it slowly thread in. Okay. Let that slowly thread. Okay, not too tight, but just snug. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Damn. A little bit of PV blaster. I really don't want to use 100% of my strength because I'm scared I'm gonna really break one of them joints. So try and be careful. You know what I'm saying? Cut that joint out. Feel it. Take your time. Get this joint snap in there. Goodbye. Goodbye, engine. We gotta see how rusty this joint is. There you go. Bad spark plug. Turn it to the right and slowly down the hole and thread. Alright, yo, so finish all 4 spark plugs. I low-key want to mess with this throttle cable because it's loose, but I'm gonna leave that alone and see. I'm gonna see how the spark plugs change the engine performance, because you know I did drive it yesterday, but I forgot to record. So, but in this video, you will get some footage of me driving this.